This is a flexible, automated assembly line for servers that is more than 100 meters long with 28 workstations. The factory, together with the logistics, testing, packaging, operation scheduling and other modules in the factory, constitutes the ZTE Server Smart Factory, which is the largest factory in the server industry with the highest automation, intelligence and flexibility. It is not easy to achieve intelligent server production, which is related to the particularity of server product requirements. Server products involve the complex assembly of more than 100 kinds of components, and the diversified customer requirements put high demands on the flexibility of the production line. Based on 5G, big data, AI, MEC and other technologies, ZTE has realized the full automation of server assembly, testing, packaging and workshop logistics with an annual production value of 500,000 units. The intelligent factory will automatically identify the corresponding model and configuration according to the order list, and then automatically select the template to coordinate multiple robots to complete flexible production. In the server assembly process, the two most difficult processes to automate are the installation of memory and CPU. Through the machine vision plus 6-dimensional force sensor, including real-time perception of the pressure and torque in the 3 dimensions of XYZ during the memory module insertion process, the accuracy is controlled at 0.06 Newton meters to ensure that all memory modules are in the right position. The 3D machine vision plus AI precision quality inspection technology is applied to realize the detection of bent needle, broken needle, foreign body, thermal grease thickness of heatsink and other defects, so as to achieve zero misdetection and 100% traceability. The server has the characteristics of high customization. Traditionally, before the production of the next order, it needs to adjust the parameters of equipment when the current order completed, then switch the corresponding production procedure, and adopt the production of the next order. With the breakthrough in technology, the flexible production line has been put into operation to solve the problem that the traditional server production line is usually hard and slow in line changing. Through AI and knowledge graph technology, ZTE builds an intelligent management platform in the cloud and decomposes the contract into the instructions that can be executed by each machine, and the instructions of each robot and each feeding instruction are coordinated and scheduled through the Cloud Intelligent Management Platform so as to solve the efficiency problem of multi-model mixed production of different contracts. Just like operation of a traditional factory, the division of production in smart factories is also systematic. The smooth operation of the production line is inseparable from the support of all aspects of warehousing and logistics. ZTE adopts the 3-level feeding mode of tally area, line-side warehouse, and workstation distribution. The use of 5G cloud-based AGV, CTU and other automation equipment combined with digital intelligent scheduling system to achieve accurate JIT feeding of the whole process, so that the material preparation efficiency is increased by 40% and the turnover efficiency is increased by 20%. The Intelligent Operations Center is just as the superbrain of the whole factory, which collects and processes real-time data of 5 aspects of 4M1E: man, machine, material, method, environments during production process, making accurate arrangement of production plan, automatic turnover of materials, accurate control of the production process, and conducting real-time monitoring. The Intelligent Operations Center can also proactively early warn of abnormal conditions in the production process, thus maximizing the production efficiency, making optimization of resource utilization, and achieving zero defect of product quality. Since the smart factory was put into operation, the server production has been increased by 113%. The delivery cycle has been shortened by 35.5%, the assembly quality has been improved by 30%, and the factory has achieved the goals of improving quality, reducing cost, increasing efficiency, and reducing power consumption. In the future, ZTE will further expand the scale of smart factories to meet the rapidly growing demand for computing power, to create a solid computing foundation for thousands of industries, and accelerate the comprehensive transformation of digital intelligence.